Hello, I'm Mark Lucas. I'm from in Columbia, Maryland. I'm attending the Drone Command Live, and I chose to attend first because I wanted to, fly my cheap drone that I got over there without getting a big old fine from the FAA. So that was my first reason in doing the class. But then they started talking about the benefits of doing a drone business, which is something I also wondered about and thought, oh, that must be hard to do. Diego and Damon are really good instructors, and they're really breaking it down on why this is a good time to do a drone business, and the whole virtual piece of doing it. This 3-day event virtually is just makes it really easy. I can do all my work in the morning and then take the afternoon and evening to do the class. So one of the big things I learned so far that's kind of just like, wow, that's really important, is the perceived value versus the the actual price. So the fact that you want to have something in the perceived to be more value than what you're paying for it, so you could get a great deal, and that drives sales. So that was a really good piece of information. So yeah, so those are the main takeaways right now, and I'll check in at a later time and let you know how the rest of it went. Thanks.